So we have one stock is bumped on Friday. There's a potential for another bump on Monday, where the price will go to. So we're going to take a profit at, and we're going to talk about Exela. Of course, we have many requested stock for Exela because there's a big potential for Exela to jump again, because now is as low as possible and people on Reddit talking about it so much. So there's a potential for squeeze if we overcome one crucial resistance for Exela. We're going to talk about the other stock that we visited an important support. So we have a potential for a trade for them for this month. So let's get right to it and discuss first this stock, which is ticker symbol is FFIE. So last time we covered FFIE was on the July 10th pre-market, and you can see that we said if the price didn't hold the $5.17, the last support should be the $4.60 above it, and we're gonna see a big buying pressure until where you can see it here around the $7.56 precisely. This is a nice trade that we did for our hunter on Patreon, because we do always alert here and the chart analysis for many stocks, and that's what happened. We did the video before around the Sunday, and the price went up. You see this one, this candle, was on Monday. We test our support that we suggest that FFIE will hold to see another jump, and guess what, the price jumped then over the 50% up. We tested the resistance and we closed below the $7.53, and we suggest that the resistance will be the $7.56 for Friday. This is a crazy test for our stock. So where the price will go to? Are we late for the party for this one or not? Because we already jumped like crazy since the end of the last month. We did almost 200%. So is there a potential? That's why we here and we try to figure out if there's a profit to make for the next week. So the $7.50 is the resistance. We close below it. We need for Monday is overcome this resistance. If we hold and overcome the $7.50, we're gonna have the price parabolically go up and continue to go up until the $9.50. So the $9.50 will be around the 25% jump, and this is normal for FFIE because it's pretty volatile. And the moment that we overcome this descending channel, you see we have a confirmation for a breakout happen around the 5th of July. So this is normal. We have a reversal for a long bearish trend, and this is confirmation for a lot of investors and well bought around this breakout zone. So there's another breakout zone, which is the $7.50, and the $9.50 would be another squeeze to confirm entering a bullish trend until the 12 or the 13. But the $9.50 before the $10 psychological level, we're gonna see a resistance. So I suggest to take a profit there. And the market kind of recovering at the moment because the SPY is holding, did 1.91% up and still accumulating, and is still inside this descending channel. So we're still in kind of bearish momentum. However, we're still holding above this line to confirm that we accumulating and then exploding around the 400. Apple, as we suggest before, to load up around the 136. Hopefully you saw the video that we did. We said if we held above the 136 for Apple, we'll have the price continue to go up to test this AMA around the 150. So this is an important level for Apple. If we get rejected by the next week for Apple around the 150, is mean we're gonna have the price going down again around the 140 and accumulate before we continue to go up. Otherwise, we're gonna have the price going toward the 117. As we said before, if you're investing in the long term for Apple, I suggest to buy around the 117. Of course, if we get rejected around the 155 by the next week or this month, okay? And you can load up again. So there is always opportunity. If you miss this opportunity to load on Apple that last month we talked about, you can load up on 117 if we get rejected around the 155, and you can double the amount of loading up on Apple with Moomoo, because you can get free share of Apple when you join with my exclusive link in comment section section below, and you have the opportunity to win other 10 free stocks, and those stocks are Fusel Energy, AMC, DKNG, Apple, Tesla, and Google. And you have until the end of this month in order to get this limited time offer. How you can get it is easy. You open an account, then you deposit $100 in order to get one free stock value between $8 up to $2,500. So you can get this opportunity. You have 21 hours left to get Apple share for free on Moomoo. So use this opportunity with my link in comment section below, or notification will pop up here, will get you directly to open your account with Moomoo. And of course, when you open your account, you get $3 free coffee when you start with Moomoo to focus, to be hyper focused and ready to start trading on stock market. So let me just go back and discuss the other stock that have potential for squeeze and continue to go up, which is Exela. Last Friday we did live streaming around 8 p.m. Paris time. We do it weekly. I suggest to watch our live streaming, to pose your question, because we always hunt before the market close for the next week. So last time we talked about Exela because we have many requested questions regarding Exela and potential squeeze, because it's been heavily talked about in Reddit, and you can see it in the most squeeze play on Reddit. And that's why the price, we have a nice jump for the last week, almost 13%. However, we suggest that the 0.1128 is the massive resistance. That's why we suggest that the market or the price action for Exela will have a resistance and never overcome this resistance on Friday. We got until the 0.1070 and the price went down. For this one, I would suggest never enter Exela as long as we are inside this channel. This is confirmation for big picture that the short is still in control. The first signal, as we said, the live streaming last Friday, is the 0.1128. Holding above it, this will be a first confirmation for reversal. The 0.14 here above this descending channel will be a confirmation for bullish trend, and we're gonna have a price parabolically go first around the 0.17. Then the second price will be around the 0.22. The next one we have SIGA. Oh man, this one is by far the strongest stock in our list. You can see it perfectly from this uptrending channel since 2015, and the price is continued to go up. And guess what? We have a hyperbolic price jump around this date, around the 19th of May. You know why? Because Sega started to give dividends, and this is a really good sign. A lot of investors see if the company, when it grow, either will put their profit in the company to grow, or will give in cash money, which is the dividends. That's why the price went up parabolically the moment that it given dividends, and the price went crazy up from around the $7 until the 14, and still continue to go up. Last Friday we did 10%. So for this one is kind of bullish. The moment that we overcome this channel from above, we're gonna have another jump until the 20. However, I suggest to wait a bit, because we might see a test and rejection like what happened in 2018. You see it here, we have a parabolic price up before, then the price went down. So I will wait until we have a discount price. If we got rejected by the next week or the end of this month around the 1560, the nice price to buy at will be around the midway support here around the 10. A really nice discount price for Sega. Walmart. For this one is in long play. What I suggest for this one, swing play, you can do it as well, or investment. We broke this ascending line, and we have a sell-off happened around the 23rd of May. The price have a nice support above the 117 and continue to go up. There's one signal for Walmart will continue to go down and have an opportunity for us to buy a discounted price for Walmart, which is around this descending channel or around the 140. If we got rejected around this EMA and went down and we didn't hold the 117, is mean we're gonna go around the 104 first support, the second one 91. So what I suggest is buying not all. Like if you have 1,000, you don't put it all, but you just put 500 here, okay, around the 100. 104, and the second one around the 90. So this is kind of you lower your risk, and as well you average down in the long run for Walmart. So this is, you make sure whatever happened to the market, you will still make money, because if even the price went below the 104, you be ready to hunt for the 900. And for my opinion, this is will be the bottom for this year if the market continue to go down. All right, this is one of the strategy you can do for Walmart. Hopefully that was informative. Which stock you think will have a parabolic price jump for the next week, and which one will go down? Let me know in comment section below, and see you in the next video.